10 years ago was supposedly a Republican 15 years ago, and then he was an independent, and now he's just a communist. I mean,
no, he's not. I don't think he is a
dangerous
communist.
people.
I think he was replaced by a communist, but I don't think he is a communist. He is clearly a capitalist, but he is a progressive capitalist.
Yes.
He is the icon of the progressive wing of the Republican Party. He's the ultimate. Now that John McCain is gone, he's the ultimate.
Mm-hmm.
You know, he believes in all of the big government stuff. He just happens to fancy himself a Republican until it becomes unpopular.
Is there anybody who is against Trump getting rid of the credentials for Bloomberg reporters? Because we've been critical of Trump. Sometimes I think Trump gets too hypersensitive of what the media writes about him, and he's banning some reporters.
Right. Mm-hmm.
But this one is clearly right. They have come out and made a statement that they will not investigate any Democrats, and they will only investigate Trump. How on earth can a news organization, Bloomberg, get away with that and maintain any level of credibility? I understand that he's the guy that owns the company, and there's weird things there. And it makes sense, even. What would they say? You're not going to investigate Bloomberg or the Democrats, but you have to apply that also to Trump.
What would they say if Murdoch were American and would run for president of the United States?
Right.
What would they say? They would say, you cannot have Fox.
It would be ridiculous.
It would be ridiculous to think that they would be fine with that.
They'd be out of their minds over that.
Out of their minds. This isn't Fox and Murdoch. This is Bloomberg and Bloomberg News.
Yeah.
I mean, and they're already making that case. I know when I was called up into the office of Rupert Murdoch, the first talent, I'm told by Roger Ailes, to ever been called up to Rupert Murdoch's office before. And he was nervous, and I was like, cool, I'm going to meet the guy. Hi, what's happening down under? I sat there with him, and the first question he asked me was, are you running for president? And I knew what that was about. Yeah, about this. Yeah. Are you running for president? It was right after 8/28, and I said, no. What are you going to do with all this power? What power? You just called the largest group of people together as a private citizen. Roger and I spoke about it this morning. We cannot think of anybody who is a private citizen who has called that many people and had that many people come without an entity behind him. So who do you represent? What do you? And I'm like, I don't want any of that. I just thought we should all get together on the mall. And they really didn't understand it. But the first question was important. Are you running for president? Because you can't